Welcome to the Square Video Maker tutorial. In this quick demo, we're just going to be going over the Square Video Maker software and seeing how we can make Square Video ads for your business. If you watch the Video Ad Maker tutorial, you'll see that this is a very similar setup. The home screen lists all the templates that you can use. And these are all Square videos that are already sized perfectly for Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, and any other social network that is going to be on an app or that people are going to see on their phone. So you can use the video ad maker to make videos to put on Facebook and stuff, but they're not going to be as easy to see as these pre-formatted Square videos. These ones work really well on social media. So without further ado, we'll get into it here. You can hover over which template you like and it starts playing, and you can see different effects that each video has. So, and like the video ad maker, you're just going to be looking for what kind of effects and transitions you like for these templates, because everything else can be customized. So if you say you're like an e-commerce store online that sells, let's say bikes, we're gonna make an ad here as that as an example to show you how easy that you can customize one of these templates. So let's just choose this one. And we'll create video. It's going to open up the video editor, and you'll notice that it's the same exact setup as the video ad maker and all the other video Jaguar software. So it's all going to be the same type of editor here. So up here, let's just say it's a bike store. We're just going to say this is like your e-commerce website that sells bikes and accessories for bikes. So we can click here. So you can obviously upload your own images, which if this is for your own personal company, obviously that's what you're going to want to do. But for this example, we're going to use some stock footage. So Pixabay and Unsplash are the two royalty-free image libraries that we can choose from. So let's say bike. Okay, I'm just going to click that and then choose. It's going to auto crop it for you. So this is going to be, obviously you can see up here your web address, and then this is a coupon. So let's say you're offering 20% off, whatever the code is. Let's say 20 and then off. 20% off all bikes in stock. Okay. So we're going to click next, and it's going to go to the next scene. You can click on this. Let's add another bike related image. We can go to the Unsplash to see what they got. Cool. Let's do this one. Choose. And you can put it whatever you want in here. The only the only restriction is just the character limit right here. You'll see it's 40 characters. So we'll click next. And we can do the same thing here. Okay. And look, we can leave that background image there too. And then obviously your logo, just make sure it's transparent, and you can click that same, excuse me, same way to, upload it like as the other images. And then whatever you want here, you can put your web address again or call us today. The phone number, we'll just leave that as it is. Here you can change the colors, like you saw where these colors are already in the template. Excuse me. And click custom colors. Click on that, and it opens up the color template. Choose, you probably want to put whatever your logo and company color scheme is. So after you do that, you can click on the music. And here you can choose pre-selected ones. This one's already on here for this template. So obviously we have all these other royalty-free music you can choose from, or you can upload your own over here on this tab. And it's very easy to make it really customized if you have a song you like or a company jingle, something like that. Put it right, you click on upload audio, and then it'll be rendered into the video. Click next, and you're done. You say start rendering, and don't worry about this. This is just the template original stuff, so it's all going to change with your images after it's finished. So and then it goes over to the projects tab over here on the left, you'll see. And once it's done, it'll email you. So we already did this one as an example before. So once your projects are complete, it'll say complete down here. You can click the pencil to re-edit something if something, turned out wrong, or if you made a typo, you can just quickly edit it again. And if you like it, you click on this, and there's a download button. And so you click download right here once you like it. All right. But it's basically, it's very easy to use. It's just like the other pieces of Video Jaguar. All the video makers are the same kind of setup. But yeah, this one's just really great for if you're making social media videos. They look great. They're pre-formatted, square size for Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn. And yeah, just it's a much better, easier option to make a video ad for social media using the Square Video Maker. That concludes this demo. So if you guys have any more questions, feel free to reach out in our support tab. Thank you.